I used to wake up empty, not tired, empty. Not because of a long night, because I was addicted to drugs, to distractions. But today I'm addicted to something new. Growth, peace, power. Let me show you how I got there and 5 habits that rewired my brain. I didn't start as a morning routine type. I started as a kid in a wrong crowd who tried something once and fell off the cliff for years. I wanted to grow, I wanted to change. But it's too hard to do when your brain locked up with chains. Years passed in fog, anxiety, depression. Then one day I snapped. Not in a Hollywood way. Just a small whisper inside my head that says me, enough. So I rebuilt myself with the tiny steps. And I want you to show you 5 habits that gave me myself back. Move your body, even if you are not a gym guy. I used to wake up like a zombie, zero energy at all. Turns out you don't need a 6-pack, you just need a 10 minutes of movement. Push-ups, stretches, that's all you need. It kickstarts your dopamine in your brain, wakes up your system body, and you feel lighter, like you're floating. Contrast showers. Warning, you will scream. Right after I move, I hit a shower, but not just any shower. I learned to shook my system with a cold and hot contrast. It boosts your circulation, boosts your nervous system, might help with depression. I had a clinical depression and it helps me a little bit. But if you have this, just go to the pro, please. Now when body awake, it's time to quiet your mind. 10 minutes, your eyes closed. Feel the breath going in and out your nose. It calms chaos, build awareness. I even got a hormone boosting meditations. If you want that, comment boost. Journaling like a boss with a toilet twist. At night my brain started to spin up like a washing machine, so I started to write it down. 10 minutes, dump every thought on paper. After, walk away. After 10 minutes, reread it, write 1 sentence in summary, and flush it, literally. By anxiety, by clutter, your mind is activated. I go to bed before 11 p.m. because no success was found in 2 a.m. scrolling. Sleep in your mental reset, no negotiations. That's the truth, from drug addiction to full discipline, from mental fog to full focus. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. And start with 1 habit today, and if it helps, just follow me. The journey is just getting started.